So there are a lot of discussion happen starting from rooftop, EV, and a lot of renewable aspect. So this all start from COP26, where our honorable Prime Minister, under the leadership of Modi ji, I mean, we put across like 5 Panchamrit, what we put across. So 5 gigawatt target. Out of that, 50%, that's a renewable energy. 1 billion ton, reduction of carbon, as well as to become a carbon neutral by 2070. So starting from, the COP26. So my boss usually, putting 5 key element, which is important for any system. That what he is putting like man, machine, material, method, and money. So money is very important for any system. So on which we're going to be talking about the finance stuff here. So if you see, I mean, the entire, there is a discussion happen on the rooftop solar. So PM Surya Ghar Yojana in 2024, when it launched, if we, in 10 months of launching this, scheme, the 7 lakh rooftop solar has been installed. And if you see the current, numbers, it is now 12.5 plus installation happened by May of, 2025. So people are already aware with this and they are keen to be installed. Only the thing is how we going to be convinced and how going to be motivate them to be, to opt this. That's very important. If we see this renewable energy target, which is 500 gigawatt 2030 for non-fossil fuel base. So as on Jan, if we see 2025, the total install base what we have is 2017.6 gigawatt. And we need to be go remaining 50% by 2030. And if we compare from the 2023 and 2024, 2024 there is a 24.5 gigawatt solar and 3.4 wind capacity added, which is 2.4 in solar and more than 21% in the wind as well. So yes, there is a push from the government as well as there is awareness from the various stakeholders to opt and take it forward. Right. And moving forward, if I'm talking about DESCOM level innovation in BSES, so if you see, this moving, yes. So first of all, the grid flexibility. So DER, one is the important aspect on which we are working. So second aspect is improved data management. So real-time data is important in terms of import and export. What, energy in case of prosumers. So that real-time monitoring is very important so that we have a precise data on that. New business models like BESS, one is the important aspects, and already my colleague Sugandhita and in morning Abhishek also shared with reference to the kilocalorie battery energy storage system. I can add into subsequent slide, which include reduce risk as well as in energy efficiency. So second aspect is the key initiative what we have taken in the BSES. One is smart metering. So we have more than 10,000 install base for smart metering. Net metering with respect to our prosumers as well as consumers. So that is a mix of that. So if you're talking about rooftop solar installation in BSES, that is 7,500 plus as on today. And EV की बात करें हम, तो it is approximately more than 150 plus installation by us in our system. And kilocalorie is one of the best example for BESS. That is South Asia biggest standalone utility-based 20 megawatt and 40 megawatt hour system what we install. And still we are in the discussion of lot many other players to whom we can work together and add the capacity in our system. Green bond, yes, and blended finance, what we discussed in the previous sessions. So yes, smart grid technology that actually required this green bond so that we can attract investors, we can attract consumers so that they invest in the system. At least we can increase the infrastructure in that, which is including advanced metering, grid automation. EV charging infrastructure, this is must needed if scope where we are day and day out working with a couple of new players. We also working on the V2G as well, so that pilot successfully be done, and we are working with a couple of players who can probably work with us with respect to investment and other aspects so that we can add on into the system. Rooftop integration is one part where government schemes as well as we are also from the utility perspective, we want to add some other value so that we can attract customers. Also, we are running the education program for the customer in various areas in our subdivisions so that we can educate customer about rooftop solar. Also, we are convincing them for the battery energy storage system so that we can create a hybrid mode for them. So, at least in both the scenario, in day scenario, and at least when battery would be charged in night scenario, they can at least balance the entire system. So, this blended I already added. Strategy, so RESCO model is one of them where we can develop, install, finance, operate. So at least consumer not having any pressure or load on his. We can sign a long-term agreement with the customer for 10-25 years. After completion of that period, probably that installation has transferred to the customer. So he don't have a load in terms of that. If you're talking about this RESCO model, we did a pilot in one of the sector in Dwarika where it's successfully working over here. Net metering is also one of the important aspects where we are also exploring. So we have a clear data in real time, import, export, clear monitoring, accurate billing and transparency would be there. There's a bidirectional flow of accounting so that complete recording of data for importing to grid and exporting has to be recorded and we have to make appropriate billing. This is a cost saver of consumers, grid stability and load management also. And that's about renewable energy growth. So these all are smart net metering actions we are taking and we are parallelly working. This is a Kilogri project inside. This is a South Asia largest commercial standalone BESS. So in line with that, I mean, this is as on today, 1 lakh residents are getting benefited with this. And we inaugurated this month itself on 6th of this project by the Power Minister of Delhi. And there is a 12 battery installation with a PCS and it's, at a peak time it discharge and off peak time we are charging the battery for the consumers. So this is one of the key projects. A few more initiatives what Sugandhita is shared in the presentation like drone survey. There is a energy efficiency module on which we are working with a pilot 100-200 consumers on which like we are controlling their ACs and geyser on the as per the peak time or off peak time they can switch off and we are also working on some incentive schemes. We are working on the smart street lighting. So Terry is one of them to which we are exploring the solutions so that we can convince DOP or MOP in terms of moving toward the conventional system to the automated system of the street lighting so that we can save energy over there. We are working in space efficiency product which can save the space. So Delhi is a area where is a vertical growth is increasing day by day. So we are working on some space concern solutions. So we'll look forward for the valuable response in the coming month. So this is all about. Thank you so much. Thank you.